We are cracking open Mustang 2s right here on Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii. Hey everybody, if you like watching, cracking open videos, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to get notifications when we upload new videos. Okay, so let me put this down here so I don't end up dropping them. And first up, from the Boulevard series, this was out back in, let's see if we can get that on close up. Back in 2011, here it is. Right up here, 2011. Release date, release date was probably in 2012, but here we go. The Boulevard Mustang 2. Yeah, oh, that's not very nice in the close up. Too bright. Too bright. Alright, let's take a look at this. I know Mustang 2 was not one of the most popular versions of the Mustang. Of course, because they went with smaller body, smaller engines, somewhat smaller engines, but the car... Oh, wrong picture. The car's actually got a little smaller from what used to be. I wish I took out a 70 Boss Mustang. But Hot Wheels did it really nice with this version of Mustang 2 from Boulevard. I love the louvers. Look at that, louvers back there. Very, very 70s. Very 70s. And it's a T-top. And I remember reading up about Mustang 2, and this was one of those years that if you look down on the car, the T-top looks a lot like the Trans Am. Cover up the rest of the car here, it does look like a Trans Am with the T-top. It was Ford's way of play on the Mustang, or not Mustang, but the Trans Am popularity. Of course, it was during the Smokey and the Bandit time, I believe. So next one, so that was Boulevard from Hot Wheels. Next one is we're going to go into this Johnny Lightning. And I probably, if you watch their videos, you would have seen in the past we've showed this before when we were talking about White Lightnings. It does not have a white base. Let's see here. You take it out of the packaging, or take it away from the packaging because it's already open. It comes with this pretty cool, like a baseball card backing. So I haven't decided whether I'm going to cut that up or not. But here it is. Mustang 2. It's got a very big engine on that front end. Confusing part about the Johnny Lightning Mustang 2, and I just realized I knocked one of the wheels off center back here. Real confusing part about this Johnny Lightning is, and I know I'm doing this off camera, sorry folks, is that this has white wheels and a white interior. So does this mean that this is, you can see that rear wheel's a little wonky there. So does the white wheels, or sorry, white rims and white interior mean that this is a White Lightning? I don't know. We don't know. But there is I'll try and look up a White Lightning version of this Mustang 2 to include just as a still shot, so you can see the comparisons. I do not have a White Lightning version, and I'm told that this one is not. So there's a license plate. Let me see. What does that say there? Cobra B. Does it say Cobra B? Yeah. Oh, Cobra. It's either a B or an 8. So that is your Johnny Lightning Mustang 2. Let's see the base. Yep, but it does have plastic wheels. So okay, next one up, we have the Greenlight version. of Mustang. This is the 78 Mustang. This is the King Cobra. And there we go. Okay, so this is Greenlight's version. Now, compared to the other Mustangs, we're showing the Highway Patrol ones. The Greenlight looked to have been the favorite in the previous video with those Highway Patrol Mustangs. And I wouldn't doubt that this one would be a favorite too, because one thing it features the others don't is the opening hood. A pretty good interior detailed engine in there. Also, it's a T-top, but it's got the T-tops inserted, so it's not like the Hot Wheels version where the T-tops are open and removed. This one, it's still on there, and it's got that really cool louvered window covers. I don't know the actual real name, but look at the detail on that. The tail lights are done correctly, like the Highway Patrol Fox Body Mustang. And a little detail on the wheels with the writing. I wonder if there's a black version of this, because this is really sweet in this color. Alright, so that is, let me pull them all in, all blah blah blah. We'll pull them all in. Let's see, can we get a close-up of that? That is your Mustang 2s from Hot Wheels, Johnny Lightning, and Greenlight. So like the previous video, which one of these are your favorite? Which one is your favorite? Is it the Hot Wheel from Boulevard? The Full White Lightning? No, we'll just call it Mustang 2. Or the Cobra from Greenlight. Leave the one you choose down in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. Share it with your friends, because we are Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii. For our new viewers, check out our end screens where you'll see links to our previous video, a video YouTube thinks you'll like, and one we think you should watch. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again next time.